Another startup misconception is when people come into the office, 2 or 3 or 4 people, and tell me everybody's going to have equal ownership. That's a great goal, but it's usually not reflective of people's talents. In a business organization, you need to have the rewards equal to the contributions, and it's rarely the case that everybody has an equal contribution, both in the concept and the execution. And part of that is a misconception that if 3 people help come up with the idea, each should have a third. But they forget that the idea is just the beginning of a business. It's not the business. And so you have to say, for the rest of that journey, who's going to be able to do the most? Who's the leader? Who's the business really going to be dependent on? And allocate ownership based on those factors. There's a really good tool that Innovation Works has that helps you weigh contributions along the way, not only how did something get founded, but how it's going to be executed to be a successful business. So before we draft any documents, we ask people to go through that exercise to help them determine ownership as well as the vesting of that ownership. And once they do that, if it's the rare case where everybody's about equal, we go ahead with everybody being equal. It's like carpentry. Measure before you cut so you can get it right, and don't just assume everybody should be equal.